phone's destroyed. Might be in the bag. So good morning, it's 5:30. Actually I wake up from 5 and I'm going to the beach, which is 30 minutes away from here, to see the sunrise, do a workout, and most importantly take shots. So coffee is ready. Gonna take the camera and the tripod and off to the beach. I love it when I'm waking up like this kind of hour, this hour of the day. I love it when I'm waking up this hour of the day because nobody's in the streets, just me. And something different makes you feel more different. You have more, it's like the day is bigger, man. Instead of waking up at 8, 9. When I was a kid, we used to wake up at 1, 12. Bad habits. Never did them. I never do them again for the last 6 years, 5 years. And the real hustle comes when you have no employer. You are alone. On my way to the beach, and I wanna chat about something with you, and I wanna share my thoughts. And so I never like having someone helping me to get a job or get a job done, or help you for a project, or you know, can you do me this favor? Can you go and ask this guy, or can you refer my name to this guy so he can help me out and get a job and stuff like this? I never liked that. I was always the guy who, when I grow up, like 8 years ago, I'm 28 now. So I was always the kind of guy that I wanted to win my battles with my own sword instead of having the army go first. I prefer to be in front of the line. So, and the reason is you develop a character, you develop skills, mentality, self-awareness of things. Plus, you have experience. If you allow somebody else, your father, your mother, or I don't know who, to help you out with get a job, or if your father has a company and you go and in the company and your father gave you the company to work it for him, then that's very bad, man, because you didn't win for you. You didn't do it by yourself. Someone else did it for you, and that will affect your character, your personality, you as a person, man. And you never have the chance to grow mentally, and that's very important, because if you haven't grown up, you will not be able to communicate with others, with other civilizations. So when you have a situation which is harder than you will quit, because you don't have the courage to go out there and fight. Let's say it that way, as a metaphor for life. And for me, whatever I built up to now for the last 4 years, I have done it by my own. The covers, the photo shoots, the people I met, the circles I made with people in US, UK, everybody, man. I know I'm a good person. I know I have a kind personality. I'm a helpful person. So some people see that, and they approach me. I approach them. We keep that friendly friendship. We keep that friendship between us. We have done some work, and so I built that by my own. And if you are not out there building by your own, then I'm sorry, man. I don't feel sorry for you. Actually, you gotta feel sorry for yourself, because you're weak at the end of the day, man. You have your mission. Someone else did the mission for you, and I don't know if you get it. Most people get out of the college, those kids, they go and have no hardships. They ask their mother, their father, hey, can you find a job for me? Hey, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can do that for you. You haven't built any courage, self-esteem, growth. Running late. The sun is already out. Already late, like 30 minutes. Next time when we wake up much earlier. Plus, I have no gas. I don't care. Let's go. When you wake up earlier than your alarm clock, I'm gonna go in that lifeguard box over there. So a lot of people at the beach this morning, walking, swimming, and me trying to get some shots. So look at this. This is great. So time to pause in here. So went for in the water and did a little bit of swimming. Now I'm gonna go and eat, go home. I don't think I get any good pictures, like 1 in 100. Don't always win, but I'm glad that I show up. By the way, I asked them to do a playground there, like Venice Beach in California. It's already 6 months. I'm not thinking they're going to do it, but they have money to bring new sunbeds here, so I'm not a man of trust, I guess. Anyway, so finished the workout, the morning workout, and I forgot to put the camera to get some footage for you, so I guess there is no workout there's no footage for the workout I did this morning. So I will put the camera in the afternoon because I'm coming back in 5 hours for the second session, actually the third session, because I was swimming in the morning. So see you in the afternoon then. I'm supposed to take the bike, but flat tire. I have the same problem in US and now the same here. I don't know why, man. Brought the headphones yesterday, flat tire today. Damn. So I'm gonna use the car. So what I'm doing this afternoon, I'm doing back squat, bench press, sumo deadlifts, and the rest of the workouts in my notebook. I will let you know later. So I love Olympic lifting, and I'm doing jerk, clean and jerk, singles, and I'm gonna do singles on the snatch later. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up. Time is 6, plenty of time. I'm exactly where I'm wanted to be, so I'm not enjoying it. Guys outside having class, warming up. Others preparing for a cool down. That's Dorian's challenge founder. That's Alex. That's one of the coaches. Yeah. Zoals we nog huis? Wat? Wanneer we nog huis?
Yeah, overnight experience, because it really hits this nerve in your head of collecting things, and you're going to keep it collected.
Grazie. Grazie, dame. Very bene. Five. So I just looked my hair in the mirror and I was like, damn. So it's almost 11 and wake up late, very late today. Shut the fuck up. Very late today. Actually we wake up at 4, but I went back to sleep because I was quite sore from the last night workout, 3-hour workout. Now I'm going to supermarket to buy some food for the rest of the week, for a 1 week time, and then I'm going to the airport to take the rest of the family to the UK because of my brother's graduation. And next I'm going to the box to work out. Yeah, that's what I have in my to-do list today. I gotta go and get the bicycle too to fix it up because of the back tire is flat. But I don't think so. On Saturdays, the guy near my house is an old guy, so I don't think so. It's open. If it's open in like 2 hours, and I'm already out of schedule, I guess. So yeah. This is what I have. I like to do
Till 3. Place your order. Bye, see you in 5 days. Left the family at the airport, on my way to the gym. So, the gym closed at 1. The time now is 12:30, half an hour. Back squat. Heavy singles every minute for 12 minutes. Actually, let's do it more, 20 minutes. I never understand these roads. Since high school, they never put any lines in this road, no lanes. I mean, come on, government. So I slept on the couch while working. Now I'm going to the shop and get some sports clothing in. I found this for my bike. I don't remember if it's 29, so I picked 26. So I got this for my bike, and I'm not very positive about it. Let's go home and see. Let's go and pump some air and see if it's working. not good. Probably went out when I was coming here, so let's do that again. It's done. Yeah. Learn to do things alone.